clubhouse. Oh, say, do you like to sing? Well, I love to sing.
Did somebody say sing?
You.
Today's an extra...
Well, enough of that.
Timon, what are you doing?
I'm fast-forwarding to the part where we come in.
But you can't go out of order!
area. Is the
Au
water
contraire,
too
my
hot or
porcine
too
pal.
cold?
I've got the remote.
But everyone's gonna get confused!
Too cold.
We gotta go back to the beginning of the story!
We're not in the beginning of the story.
Yes, we were the whole time!
Yeah, but they don't know that.
The ta-
Then why don't we tell them our story?
Hey, I've got an idea. Why don't we tell them our story?
Oh, I like the sound of that!
A little backstage tour. Take them behind the scenes for a revealing and intimate look at the story within the story.
Because what they don't know is how we really were there, even though they didn't know we were there, you know?
Couldn't have said it better myself.
So, does this mean we're going back to the beginning?
Oh, no, Pumbaa. No. We're going way back to before the beginning.